Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Gubby is unlocked and at or above level 10 so Swift is available. You also equip Speed Boost relics, prioritize 1. 2x movement or 15% attack rate because they expand execution windows. Once done, switch the map to night mode. This changes spawn timing and creates a predictable thin period where Takeout is safest. Now begin positioning. You will set Gubby on the outer lane and prepare a backup turret. This setup reduces. You execute the Takeout by timing Swift precisely. Trigger when the enemy cluster is 2 to 3 units and within about 3 tiles so your damage hits all targets. Then chain a stun or slow from an ally immediately. The window for chaining is tight. Aim for about 1/2 second between abilities. Make sure to rotate a support unit to flank right after the first strike, because that stopgaps incoming backups. This layered timing maximizes burst and prevents isolated survivors from reviving the wave. You finish the run by applying area damage immediately after Swift to clear any spillover enemies. Aim to have cooldowns reduced to around 12 seconds for repeatability. If the Takeout fails, troubleshoot. Reset unit positions and intentionally delay Swift by 3 to 6/10 of a second. This compensates for lag or spawn variance. Also check relic durability and swap to anti-armor gear if heavy units are surviving, because a gear mismatch is the most common cause of failed takeouts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.